Every statement coming out of that is functioning. Who are we then to decide on that?
See, if you remember very clearly, there was a petition filed by us regarding the health status of the Chief Minister. The government, the BJP government is on record to say that the Chief Minister is hale and hearty, mentally and physically functional. So there cannot be any excuses for this report to say that the Chief Minister was ill at that time. There's an affidavit filed which has been accepted by the High Court to say that the Chief Minister is hale and hearty.
See whether he is ill or not ill. The question is responsibility is theirs. If he was not in a position to function, they should change him. That there was a demand. Their own ministers are on record that the government is not functioning, the bureaucrat is functioning. These are not charges, these are statements made.
The credibility of this report cannot be questioned and has not been questioned by the government for a very good reason, that there was a methodology followed by the Association for Democratic Reforms in conducting this report. Now this report has been prepared by considering the voters' priorities and performance of the government. Now importantly, what they looked into while preparing this report was, the three main objectives while preparing this report was the voters' priorities on specific governance issues, voters' ratings of government's performance, and factors influencing their voting behavior. Now the key findings of this report, which are very material because these are issues which the Congress party has been taking up before the electorate and trying to point out that the BJP government, which we have been having for so many years, has failed to deliver to the people of Goa.
Has very recently admitted that Goa government will not last if Modi doesn't become the Prime Minister. That this government is not on its own strength. It is on the strength of the center, who are using all agencies like Enforcement Directorate, like Income Tax, like CBI. And this statement has come from the ruling partner, who is still today the ruling partner, by none other than Sudhin Davlikar.